Hello viewers, I am Dr. Livingston. In this video, I am going to discuss about the introduction part of neurotransmitters. First of all, what is neurotransmitters? Neurotransmitters are chemical substances that transmit the nerve impulses between the neurons. Generally, neurotransmitters are synthesized in the axonal part of nerve terminals and are stored in the axonal part of vesicles. Then what is neuron? Neuron is the functional unit of nervous system. Nervous system generally classified as central nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. They control and regulate the functions like eating, sleeping and emotion through these neurotransmitters. Same like autonomic nervous system control and regulate the vital functions like digestive functions, circulatory functions and respiratory functions through these receptors and neurotransmitters. Now let us see how do they transmit the impulses. Generally, an impulse cannot be transmitted electrically across the synaptic cleft of one neuron to another neurons. So here I represented the diagram of one neuron part of axon and another neuron part of dendrites. In these axonal terminals consist of vesicles. In this vesicle neurotransmitters are stored and these dendrite parts consist of receptors. This one part of neurons axonal part and the another part of dendrites, in between one tiny gap is there. The tiny gap is called as synapse. So neurotransmitters are used to transmit the impulses from one neuron to another neuron via this synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitters, when they will act, when the impulse is generated and transmitted in the axonal part, once reaches the impulses in the axonal part, it stimulates the vesicles to release the neurotransmitters. This neurotransmitter carry the impulses from the axon part of the one neuron and it transmits the impulses across the synaptic cleft to another neurons of the receptors. So the neurotransmitters are bind with these receptors, then it act by two ways. One is excitatory neurotransmitter action, second one is inhibitory neurotransmitter action. Excitatory neurotransmitter means it further generate and transmit the impulses from the one neuron to another neuron. Whereas inhibitory neurotransmitter, it prevent the transmit the impulses from the one neuron to another neurons. So this is the way the neurotransmitter transmit the impulses from one neuron to another neuron across the synaptic cleft. Then let us see about types of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are classified as three categories. Number one, excitatory neurotransmitter. Number two, inhibitory neurotransmitter. Number three, excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. So these three types are the neurotransmitters. Then what are neurotransmitters? Here I mentioned some examples of the neurotransmitters. They are norepinephrine, otherwise called as noradrenaline, serotonin, dopamine, acetylcholine, histamine, GABA, epinephrine or adrenaline, glutamate and glycines. Among these neurotransmitters, norepinephrine, acetylcholine, histamine, epinephrine, glutamate. These neurotransmitters are called as excitatory neurotransmitters, whereas serotonin, dopamine, GABA, glycine, they are inhibitory neurotransmitters and the both excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters are acetylcholine and noradrenaline. Then let's see one examples of the neurotransmission across the synaptic cleft. In this pre-synapse, the neurotransmitters is, for example, noradrenaline. They are generally bind with the beta receptors of the another neuron dendrites. It is present in the heart, that it leads to neurotransmitter receptor complex. Noradrenaline bind with beta receptor complex and it increase the force of contraction of the heart. So once it leads to increase the force of contraction, the heart start to pump the blood to all parts of the body. So this is the way the neurotransmitters are transmit the impulses across the synaptic cleft to the target area and produce the physiological functions. So today we have discussed about the general introduction about the neurotransmitters, and further videos next we can discuss about one by one the neurotransmitters. So thanks for watching this video and kindly subscribe. We will meet again.